Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The successive governments of BJP and Congress has undertaken major projects which has destroyed and devastated our economy, our ecology, our environment, our livelihoods, and the people of Goa. Let us take, for example, coal. I have got evidence that it was the successive government of Congress and BJP who has brought 13 million tons of coal. They have signed for 5.2 million tons import with the Adanis. Now I have got evidence. You go all over Goa, there are hoardings, they are saying we will oppose coal. They are saying that they don't want coal in Goa. Who brought this coal? And these are the very same people who brought the coal to Goa, made a coal destination, are shouting that they are going to oppose the coal. Now there are hoardings which are saying that they will stop the three linear projects. I have said it in the Rajya Sabha. These are the three cardinal sins against Goa. We have given solemn promise in our manifesto that we will stop these three linear projects. It is our commitment to the people of Goa that we don't want to destroy Mollem Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a hot spot, is known for centuries. I have got letters here which were given by the successive governments to the government of Karnataka to allow them to use of the water. And therefore we have given a solemn promise in our manifesto that we will fight and ensure that Mahadev water, which is already diverted to Karnataka, is brought back to Goa. And I assure you that TMC will work hard to protect our environment, to ensure there is a water supply all over Goa,